Welcome people. Today you are gonna see how to use animated emojis without Nitro, bots or better Discord. So let's get started. So here we are in Discord. So to use animated emojis, go to your emoji selection. And now click Ctrl plus Shift plus I. It will open Inspect Tool on Discord or in your browser. Now select this pointer icon and place it on the emoji you want to use. You can see a area is highlighted. So now right click and select Edit as HTML. Now you can see there is a line called src. After that you can see a link. Click on that and copy the link. And now paste it on chat. Here you go. You can change the size too. Sizes are 32, 64, 128. Let's use another emoji. You can download it too. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.